Hello Vegitaliano friends, welcome back. Today I would like to make the lasagna recipe with artichokes. So the ingredients are 2 artichokes, 1 spider, 2 courgettes, I don't know the number of this piece, and 2 pepper because I like spicy, and 1 clove, 1 garlic clove, piopparelli mushroom, and aromatic salt. You can find this recipe in another my movie, and oil, extra virgin olive oil. That's all. First of all, I have to clean the artichokes, and this is what remains of the artichokes, you know. Then artichokes are put in the water with lemon. I wash and cut the mushroom. I live in a wonderful medieval village called Sermoneta, and this area is very good for artichokes. You know, we have the best artichoke in the world. This is a professional knife, and in the wrong hands, you know. Garlic clove, and now a superstitious gesture. Cracco te crocco. Ok. On Pergolesi Stabat Mater start to cook a little bit extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Okay. So, garlic clove, some pepper, and courgette, peas, and artichokes. Et voila! Good smell. So now I cover the pan, and now we leave it to cook until the artichoke becomes soft. Sometime add some water, a little bit. In the meantime, I begin to prepare the bechamel sauce. First of all, some extra virgin olive oil. A few tablespoons of soft wet flour. And I start to mix. Now I add some soy milk, natural, without sugar, you know, and mix. Better this, but nobody told to me how it's called, you know. Tell me how it's called, this instrument, in the comment, please, please. And sometimes you add milk, because we want a lot of bechamel sauce. We love bechamel sauce. Now artichokes are ready, and I add pioparelli mushroom. Now I add salt, aromatic salt, and water if you need. Must be liquid, you know. Remember, salt for bechamel. And mix. And finally, don't forget nutmeg. Now I put the water to boil, and in the meantime I turn off the oven. Now I add salt and start to cook lasagna. To boil lasagna, like this. 1, 2, 3. And I wait for 3-4 minutes, you know, and I begin to compose lasagna. Some bechamel sauce, in this way. Obviously, this lasagna is without eggs, because we are vegan. Now the moment is dangerous. One, two, and 3. Fantastic pergolesi Stabat Mater. Artichoke. Fantastic. Without garlic clove. Some bechamel again. Try it and show me your lasagna. Second floor. Wow. Bechamel again. And I continue as if there is no tomorrow. Final rush. And now in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. This is the best artichoke lasagna in the world. Don't forget subscribe to Vegitaliano channel to see another recipe. Bye!